Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the create and customize table of contents. This is the topic under the digital documentations, in which we will learn about the MS Word, how to create the tables in MS Word, and how to modify the contents of the tables. And for example, if you want to change the background, if you want to change the number of rows, number of columns, and all other images were okay, merging, sorting, and deletions, all these parts. The table of contents is a powerful feature of writers. This feature allows you to build an automated tables of contents from the headings present in your documents. But before starting, make sure that the headings in your documents are styled consistently. For example, you can use the heading 1 style for the chapter title and heading 2 heading 3 style for chapters and subheadings. Yes, if you have used custom styles for heading in table of contents, then heading labels associated with outline labels will revert to the default of heading 1 and heading 2 and so on. Working with table of contents features, open the table content feature in Writer and insert a new table of contents in your documents. Follow the given steps. Place the cursors at the point in your documents where you want to insert the table of contents. From the main menu, choose Insert, Table of Contents and Index, Table of Contents, Index and Bibliography. Yes, you can see here that types, entries, styles, columns and backgrounds. Okay, table of contents, types, protected against the manual changes. You can see whenever you click on this insert table content, and that this type of dialog box will open. You can see table of contents, index and bibliography dialog box appear as shown below. Above, this dialog box has 5 tabs, out of which 4 are used while creating a table of contents. In the type page, select table of content in the type box. Select the other option according to your requirements and then click OK. Using the pages in table of contents, index and bibliography dialogs. Now we will discuss how to use these pages of a table of contents. The preview box located on the right hand side each page show you as the table of contents will look if you are not able to see the preview checkbox in the lower left hand corner of the window. Okay, you can see that the preview is available in this window, and this checkbox will you should click on this checkbox. It is the preview. Using the pages on table content bibliography dialog box. Using now we will discuss how to use these pages for table of contents. The preview box located on the right hand side of each page shows you how the table content will look. If you are not able to see the preview checkbox in the lower left hand corner of the windows, using the type page. The type page is used to set the table's attributes as shown below. Adding a titles, protecting against manual changes. If you want to add the title for the TOC, enter it the title page field in the title type page. If writer has given to the title automatically in the field, you can change it by simply typing over it titles of TOC. If you don't want title of TOC, simply clear the title field using backspace key. Protecting against manual changes, protecting the TOC from being changed. Accidentally check the protected against manual changes checkbox. If this checkbox is checked, the TOC can apply only be changed by using the content menu of the TOC window. If the box is not checked, the TOC can be changed directly by in the document, just like any other text in the documents. Okay. So first of all, you should know about the protecting against the manual changes, adding a titles, and setting basic attributes. To set the basic attributes of TOC, follow the given steps. From the type drop-down list in the type tab, select TOC if it is not already selected. In the create index and table of contents section, in 4 drop-downs list, select entire documents. In the create from sections, put a check on the outline checkbox. Changing the number of labels. You can change the number of labels. The writers evaluates 10 labels of headings when it builds the TOC. To change the number of labels evaluated, enter the desired number of evaluate up to label spin box. Yes, you can do all these styles according to your need. Assigning custom styles. Yes, you can apply all these styles on your uh, tables contents. By default, writer automatically assigned to the DOC of all paragraphs in the documents are formatted with the default headings styles like heading 1, heading 2, and so on. To assign a paragraph formatted with custom styles, follow these steps. In the create from sections, check the additional styles checkbox. Click the Assign Styles button on the right of the checkbox. The Assign Styles windows open up this shown figure. Use the arrow buttons to move the selected styles to desired outlines. You can see all these pictures. In these pictures, you can see structure and formatting. Okay. Okay, students. अभी आप इतने रखेंगे, ठीक है. Today we will discuss about all these terms. Now you can do the practice all these entries, and in the next sessions we will do the next topic.